Alright, so we just had, over on the 4th of July, we had 2 misfires start on a gentle drive, cruising from Chicago to Grand Rapids. 4 and 6 started misfiring, and with a little bit of checking, the fuel pressure wasn't holding with just key on, engine off. Usually it'll go up to 40 psi and then stay there, and it'll like slowly bleed down over minutes or tens of minutes, depending on the health of the system. But it was dropping really fast, so it seems like a leaking injector somewhere. So we got the fuel rail pulled out. We got the injectors tied in place so that the fuel pressure doesn't shoot them out, all 3. And we're just gonna go key on and see if any of these start dripping. Oh, I gotta plug in the injector for the fuel pump relay. I pulled the fuel pump relay so so the tow guy wouldn't accidentally flood the engine. We also have a burnt, that's the fuel pump fuse. It's like burnt there, so I'm not sure what's going on. We'll have to investigate that. Alright, we should get fuel pressure. Oh yeah, something's spraying. Something's spraying. Oh, it looks like the fuel injector kind of got pushed out, so I'll have to tighten that a little bit and redo it. I just tightened the zip ties a little bit more. We're gonna go key off and then key on again. Oh yeah, cylinder 4 is spraying like mad. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still dripping. Not sure about cylinder 6 yet. And maybe it was just cylinder 4 that was having the problem. We gotta get this a little more of an angle, and we'll do it again. Yeah, just cylinder 4. Hopefully, cylinder isn't damaged. So, yep,